very unhealthy relationship, but I love her. Once I like put it up, you'll see what I mean. Looks a little interesting. The breeze is so nice. Ooh, hot dog.
This is the coveted Vietnamese hammock.
Wait, slanted.
I feel like it's humanly like impossible. Morning for me and my energy drink. Me and Alani knew we're like this. It's a very unhealthy relationship. But I love her. I love her so much. This is a breezeberry flavor. I don't know if it's one of my favorites, but it's not bad. I really like the orange one, but it kind of reminds me of Fanta. And then I also like the cherry and the grape. I think it's like Cosmic Stardust. But anyway, oh, my watch. Something's going on. Anyway, I'm gonna chug this, and then I'm gonna do my workout, as usual. So, let's get this day started.
Leave it there, but
Hello? It's not for you. These are really salty.
Okay guys, I have an issue. And the issue is that my curtains are, like, they go straight across. You see this up here? Right there? Yeah, but I have a bay window situation. So, I can come back here, but then my curtains are like an arm's length in front of me, and so it's just a lot of space that's not being utilized. So every time I close this, it's like on my desk. Do you see this? This is not conducive to functionality. Like, what is this? But anyway, every single morning when I open and close this thing, it's making me annoyed because, I don't know, it's like a death by 1,000 cuts. So anyway, in order to combat this, I got, let me show you, I did a little bit of Amazon shopping again, and I got these like window tension pole things. And then also blackout curtains that will just like go directly on the door, so I don't even need curtains. Hopefully I'm making sense. Once I like put it up, you'll see what I mean. Tension rods. And then more curtains. Hopefully these match. They're not like 100% the same, but it'll be fine. This middle part doesn't fit. Like, it's supposed to stay here in the middle to kind of like increase the size of the pipe, but the issue is like there's not enough, like it's gonna just fall out. And so I could tape it, but I think I'll use these rubber bands instead, and maybe this will help make it tighter. Let's see. Or is it gonna be too small? I think it's too small. Okay, abort mission. We are going to tape it up. Okay, and then the best part is that when I want to open it, okay, it's magnetic. So I just go like this, like this. And she's open. Looks a little interesting, but it's better than nothing. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side now. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's definitely slightly sheer, but I think that's fine since this one is like completely blackout. So now if I close this door and then I'm gonna pull up this or pull down this one more. Okay, that is not bad at all. It's a bit bright, but I think it's fine. Like if I'm sleeping, I think this is dark enough maybe. I don't know. Ugh. John is back.
What's up? Going to the gym.
I'm very tired right now, but we must go. Ah, the breeze is so nice here. Also, did you see my mom's hammock? This is what I'm talking about. The hammock.
Whoa. Should I try it?
Yes.
Just take a nap in there?
Mm-hmm. It's so good.
This is so happy. Because that was like the part. is my shoes.
Yeah. I was gonna put this on the blue. On the screen.
Wow. Ooh, hot dogs.
So I have another one.
Okay.
Oh, US? Yeah, I did. Oh, you're talking about the last second goal.
Yeah.
I done.
How about these guys? Are these cooked?
So, John, this is the coveted Vietnamese hammock.
Okay.
This is what Vietnamese people do all day long.
It's not gonna fall.
No, you just. So, this is a pillow. No, go in there. It's amazing.
How do I get in there?
You just get it.
Wait, it's like slanted.
You gonna bring the music out?
Yeah. Huh? Wait, it's slanted.
You look so
Why
uncomfortable.
is it slanted?
You have to shift.
Where? I don't think this thing can hear you. Am I supposed to? Oh, maybe this way?
No, more this way.
Oh, that's not bad.
I used to like go like this. And like,
Just roll.
and rolled in there, yeah.
Can I roll?
I think when you were small, yeah, but not now. Guys, it's 9 p.m. I'm still doing the vlog. Let me turn my light on. Here, let's come over here. Anyway, yeah, the vlog is still happening. I just need to finish the intro and do the thumbnail, and then I'll be good to go. So I'm gonna say an hour and a half-ish more of work, and then I'll be good. It takes a lot of time, and like to lock in for many hours straight to try to finish these vlogs. I feel like it's humanly like impossible. I don't get how editors and like also watching myself over and over and over again all day, just listening to myself, editing myself.
Adding all the effects, etc.
It takes a long time. But I love it. I love my life. It's amazing. I wouldn't change it for the world. I feel like there's always just things that like we complain about, but like at the end of the day, I'm happy to be here. You know, maybe it's like a cathartic release or something. Like I'm frustrated, so I just want to complain. I really shouldn't. And I feel like I need to be a little bit more grateful. But it's hard when you're like in a bad mental space, obviously. So yeah. Anyway, sorry. Before I get a little too deep and start bawling my eyes out, I gotta finish this. And then I gotta do my skincare. And then I gotta go to sleep because I'm so tired. Time to do my skincare. I finished the vlog. I still have to do my thumbnail though. I hate washing my face. It's so overstimulating me. Do you feel the same way? Ugh, I started drinking energy drinks and now my acne's coming back. It's literally like instant. Super simple skincare, just how I like it. You gonna brush? You're so tan. Okay, wait.
I know, I'm still yellow. That's what I'm saying.
I'm yellow. You're red. Are you neutral? I can't tell. Guys, I finished my thumbnail. I finished my vlog. Baby's going crazy on my feet. Anyway, I'm so sad because my lip balm is gone. The one that was in this nightstand. So we're gonna have to find a different lip balm to use for the nightly chats. But until then, I will have crusty, dusty lips. This is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing morning, day, night, wherever the heck in the world you are. And John, would you like to say goodbye?
Goodbye. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy your meal, or I don't know if you're watching while eating or something.
Yeah, I think they probably already finished their meal by the time this video is ending. Unless they're slow eaters, unlike me. If I have a meal when I watch a show or something, it's done in 10 minutes. And then I have nothing else to eat for the rest of the show. But anyway, that's it. And we'll see you next week. Do you want to say bye? Do you want to say bye? You want to say bye? Okay, bye!